Workshop Addict will show you where to find all fluid filling points under the hood of an Opel Signum 2007. Here you'll see where to fill engine oil, windshield washer fluid, brake fluid, coolant and power steering fluid. All fluid filling is done under the hood. Here is the engine oil filler cap, marked in yellow and labeled oil. Remove this cap when adding engine oil. Next, this yellow cap with a windshield symbol is for washer fluid. Fill your wiper fluid here. This small reservoir is for brake fluid, usually labeled use only .4 or the correct specification for your car. Always make sure the level stays between the min and max marks. Here we have the coolant reservoir. Coolant color depends on the engine type and manufacturer recommendation. Always use the correct type. And deep down below, under the fuel filter, you'll see the power steering fluid reservoir. The exact fluid type should be checked in your vehicle's manual. That's all for the main fluid locations. Keep your levels checked regularly, and your car will thank you. Thanks for watching, and see you on Workshop Addict for more quick guides.